is completely dark. I understand that you can't see anything, but my truck is right in front of you guys. As you can see the white lights up top. Tomorrow morning I'm going to be installing my new tail lights, so you can not even see them right now, but I wanted to give you guys a comparison versus the stock ones, which we'll do tonight. Park, hazard lights, turn signals, and reverse lights. And then tomorrow night when I have my new ones, we'll do another comparison to see the difference of how they look. Okay, there's with the brake lights. Okay, put the hazards. There's the hazards. Okay, blinkers. Blinker. Left blinker. Oh, okay, we'll do the right one. It's all right. Okay, check this side. Okay, now put it in reverse. Wow, that is bright. Oh my God, I didn't realize that. Tomorrow I'll be putting in the smoked out tail lights. So again, we'll do the comparison tomorrow night, and I'll show you guys the installation tomorrow morning. So stay tuned for that. What's up, YouTube? So you already saw last night's little clip where I did a nighttime shot for my stock tail lights. So I know you couldn't see the tail lights at all last night. I mainly just wanted to show the brightness and, you know, I guess a design of how they look at nighttime. So today you can see this chrome right here. That's what I do not like about the taillights, and the fact that it's like a clear case. I'd rather have a smoked out one, which is exactly what we're gonna do today. So I'll go on this side, same thing. There's the chrome right there, and if you've watched my previous videos, you know I'm on my road to the chrome delete for my 2020 Tacoma. Here are the new taillights. It's got this clear broad type thing on it right now, just for protection. Completely smoked out. It's got a nice bright LED little bar thing in there. 100% plug and play. So we'll be plugging these two into our current wiring spots. Only thing you got to worry about is not putting these in upside down. Other than that, should be very easy. Should not take too much time, and will look a whole lot better. Before I install my new tail lights, I'll just show you guys this. Comes with a little bit of instructions. You know, please read before you install, and it tells you to line up the white wire with the black wire and whatnot. Make sure your harness is clean. Make sure that the pins on the WINJET tail light are straight and in line with the respective grooves on the plugs. That's good information to have. And then this side kind of just talks about the tail light. So fogging is not leakage, water leak defective versus condensation naturally occurring, airflow, and virtually all lights are prone to condensation due to the following events, and it kind of just lists everything. So yeah, that's just like a little instruction guide, and then a little I don't know, information on the tail lights and whatnot. I mean it when I say it's going to be very easy and very quick. We're going to take off this bolt, which if I back up a little bit, you got your very top bolt, I guess a middle bolt, and then we're going to go to the very bottom bolt. 10mm socket. Just unscrew those, and then we'll pop out the housing.
No, that was actually very loose. Small screw. You'll notice that the housing will start getting loose already while you're taking these, or unscrewing these bolts. Easy.
Should just be able to pop out the tail light. There's no clips on the inside, but I can still feel like some resistance when I pull on it, so I'm not too sure what it's like being held in with, other than the light bulb or the wires for the reverse lights and whatnot. So let's see if we can get this out without breaking anything. I can't really get my hand behind it on this side. Oh my God. Jesus. All right, we did it. There's the tail light. So this is what we got here now. You got this right here, which is being held into the bottom. That's what was hard. And then this top one, which was for there. And this piece didn't come out, which is okay. Nothing's broken. But there's where your tail light would be. Here's the tail light now. And we've got the wiring on the back and everything. With the taillight off, all I'm going to do is just use a detail spray and clean this area. Not mandatory, but just preference for me. Okay, so we got top, middle, bottom in terms of wiring. All we're going to do is just remove this and pop it into the new taillight. Here's our new one over here. Same thing, middle one. Ooh, whoa, is going to go into the middle. And then if you're new like me and you're looking at this one and then you're wondering what the heck, there's nothing even there. This is just a bulb. That's your reverse light. So just pop it out and it'll just go straight into there. All right, pop out the top one first. Easy. And then bottom one comes out very easy. And let's get this brake light. Not as much room to work with. Okay, everything's disconnected. This was a reverse light. A little more of a pain in the butt just because this piece does not push in very well. So all I did was use a flathead, pushed it, and then lifted straight up. Bulb does not come out with it, so don't freak out. What we're gonna do is just turn it, and there's our reverse light bulb. What you can do, I guess, is if you want to have a brighter light, you can change this bulb out right away. I'm not going to do that. Maybe later down the road I will. Set that up to the side. So don't forget, this is what that looks like. And if you're going to try to plug it into this one, that is just not going to go together. So you've got to pop off this area and that area on the old taillight, and then put it in here for the new, or with the brand new taillight. One thing I completely forgot was you already got your bulb in there, so we're not going to need this bulb. All we're going to do is just end up, don't break it, there you go, pop off the bulb, and then we're going to connect these two, connect that to there, and then this one I'll connect into that part right there. Now that my hands are free and I'm sure my angle is completely off, I can do this a lot easier and a lot cleaner for you guys. So let's see, where was I at? Oh yeah, gotta pop off this light bulb because we will not need it. Oh wait, is this right? Yeah, my bad, sorry about that. Got distracted, forgot where I was. A little plug and play action here, bam. And then I was saying before, white with black, so I'm gonna assume that's gonna be the correct way, and we'll hope for the best. You don't have to fully place this all the way in there. All I'm gonna do is just leave it like that. Right, now that we're done with the middle one, same thing, pop it off. You'll have 3 prongs, 3 holes, bam, and then white to black, bam, just like that. And we'll bring this, we'll leave it, I'm not going to fully install it because if the wiring is not correct, then I've got to take it out, and that was a pain in the butt. So I'll leave it like that, do brake lights and make sure everything's good to go, then we'll work on the driver's side. Everything's popped into place, should be all good. Let's get this. So you guys can't see anything. We're just trying to line everything up right now. Okay, that popped in up top and the bottom. That's a good sound, you like to hear those. And then make sure the holes are lined up. Get our screws back in there. Bottom one, same thing. I'll go ahead and screw that in, and then we'll work on the passenger side, or the driver's side, same procedure. Pop the new taillight in. You'll notice there's like these, I don't know, like scuffs on the mirror, but it's just rubber, or not on the mirror, sorry, on the taillight, just rubber. So you can see on here, it looks like it'd be damaged, but I could probably just scrape that off and then maybe wax it, just to see if it, just to get off any film. And what I'll do is I'll take off the clear bra that's covering. Damn, look at that gloss. Super nice. And what I'll do is I'll take this out to the light over there so you guys can see it, and then tonight I'll do another comparison to see how bright everything is versus the stock ones. It looks so much better. Those WINJET lights are so nice. I love how you can see the white little LED bar type thing in there. Super impressed with those. Cool, hope you guys like it. If you do, make sure you hit a like and comment down below, and I'll put the link down in the description to purchase these lights. I got them off Tacoma Beast. So there you have it. Thanks for watching. Now that the truck is on, it's nighttime, you can see the new tail lights, how they look. There's reverse lights, still extremely bright. And this is my favorite. Right, there's the hazards. Watch when he turns my headlights on. That looks so cool, that LED ring. I love that part. Well, there you go. If you're wondering how the smoked out taillights look at nighttime versus the stock ones, I like these so much better.